Is it the right time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 16, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 8, 2024, our system has ranked Taiwan Semiconductor as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.82. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Taiwan Semiconductor has shown impressive growth of 23.91% since we first recommended buying it 29 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.82% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, the stock is projected to experience a 29.69% change, with a potential return ranging from 16.16% to 40.04%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, there is a projected 17.59% change, with a potential return between -14.54% and 24.57%. This equates to a price range of $108.27 to $157.81 after 1 year. Our latest update on Taiwan Semiconductor reveals that its stock has been downgraded from a buy candidate to hold/accumulate after the Friday trading session. On Friday, the 16th of February 2024, the Taiwan Semiconductor stock price experienced a decline of 1.81%, dropping from $129.03 to $126.69. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.24%, reaching a low of $125.81 and a high of $128.63. Over the last 2 weeks, the stock has shown a 9.45% gain, but it has been exhibiting a pattern of ups and downs. While the volume of shares traded increased by 2 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk in the coming days. In total, approximately 12 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of around $1.54 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $135.17, while the lowest was $81.21. Currently, the price is 6.27%, equivalent to $8.48, below the 52-week high and 12.63%, equivalent to $18.31, below the all-time high on January 13, 2022, when it reached $145. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing some recent analyst ratings for TSM. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, November 16, 2023, UBS also gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Let's go back to Thursday, July 20, 2023, when Wedbush rated TSM as outperform with a hold action. And again on Thursday, July 20, 2023, Needham gave TSM a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, June 1, 2023, Needham once again rated TSM as buy with a hold action. Analysts have given Taiwan Semiconductor stock a general rating of buy. They rate the PE ratio as a buy, and the price-to-book ratio as a buy as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of strong buy. Let's analyze the signals for Taiwan Semiconductor. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average above the long-term average, a general buy signal emerges, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. As the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $129.98. Conversely, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $113.54. A break above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals, which could impact the short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 8, 2024, resulting in a decline of -5.26% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. It's worth noting that volume increased during the recent price decline, which could be an early warning sign, indicating the need for closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal 18 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 30 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average provides a buy signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 68 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 59 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. When it comes to support levels, we can see that the stock has some strong ones just below today's level. These are at $116.52 and $114.20. Support levels are important because they indicate a price at which there is enough buying interest to prevent the stock from falling further. However, it's worth noting that if the current support level is broken, the stock may move down to the next support level. For Taiwan Semiconductor, the next support levels are at $116.52, $114.20, and $113.03. It's important to consider the risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the support is broken, it could lead to further declines in the stock price. In the case of Taiwan Semiconductor, the risk is considered to be medium. This stock has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which means there is a moderate level of risk associated with it. Let's take a look at the stock's recent volatility. Over the last day, it had a price range of $2.82 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 2.24% change. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.37%. This indicates that the stock has been fluctuating within a certain range, which can be useful information for investors. Before we start discussing potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Taiwan Semiconductor has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is often seen in companies with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on April 18, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $1.29. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be looking at potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. If the stock follows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $127.55. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor faces its first support level at $116.52. If the stock manages to hold this support level, it could present a good entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $121.38, which reflects a decrease of 4.19%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 6 days ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Although Taiwan Semiconductor holds several positive signals, we believe it is currently best to consider it as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, and await further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 20th, we expect Taiwan Semiconductor to open up $0.353 and start trading at $127.04. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept personal responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing the current view of a particular stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. Remember, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.